to solve a system of equations by graphing where a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. We all know that standard form of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Every linear equation 1 and 2 in two variables can be represented on a certain line. So we can get two lines, one for this and another for this, for a pair of equation which may intersect, parallel or coincide. Let us see how. Now I have a pair of linear equations named as 1 and 2. Let us solve for y for the first equation now, which is 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 2 minus x. How? I'll transpose 2y to this side, which becomes plus. To this side, minus 2. So, y is equal to 2x minus 2 by 2. Or easily, you can cancel all 2's here. 2 common here. You can take outside. So, x minus y is equal to 1. So, y is equal to x minus 1. It becomes. Let us have table value of values for x and y. We all know that for each values of x, we will have values of y. Let us take simple small integers so that we can get nice values for y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Take the points so as it becomes easier to plot it in graph. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. When x is equal to 4, 4 minus 1, 3. You can also put x is equal to 3, then y becomes 2. You have to have ordered pair of values for x and y. You have to write the values of x first, then y, so that it will be easier to plot the points on graph paper. Next, we shall solve for y in the second equation. 4y is equal to 10 minus 3x, y is equal to 10 minus 3x by 4. Let us have a table of values for x and y. Put easy values for x. I have put 0 here. So 10 by 4, which is equal to 2.5. Here I have put 4, 3 4s are 12, minus 12 plus 10, what is the value of it? Minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus half, that is equal to minus 0.5. 10 minus x is equal to here minus 2. 10 minus 3 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 6. 16 by 4 is equal to 4. You can put any other values. There is no hard and fast rule. But remember to have easier values. Now let us plot the graph for the first equation. We had actually graph paper and x and y coordinates. Not coordinates, axes here. Let us plot the point A first. This is the point, 0, -1, then 2, 1, then 4, 3, which is named as C. Join the lines by a straight line. Name the straight line 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Then plot the point P0, 2.5 here. Then Q4 minus 0.5. Then R minus 2, 4. Then join the points by a straight line and name it. The two straight lines, equation 1 and 2, representing the equation number 1 and 2, cut at 2, 1, which is the solution for the system of equations. Now we have the equations in the standard form. If not, you have to write. That's all. Where a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to -2, a3, not a3. Actually, that is b2. B1, sorry, many mistakes I had done, very sorry. C1 is equal to -2. Here A2 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 4, C2 is equal to -10. You have to transpose it to the left hand side. So check for A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. Let us check. A1 is 2, B1 is, A2 is 3. 2 by 3. B1 is -2, B2 is 4. -2 by 4, that is equal to -half. So we can conclude that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. In such cases, we get intersecting lines. So such systems of equation has unique solution. So it is said to be consistent pair of equations since it has solution. The equations are said to be independent because the values of one equation not depending on the values of another equation. Thank you.